The Meadow House was designed for a multi-generational family with strong business and cultural ties to their native Korea, who sought a Californian home with a Korean heart. The project required a deep dive into the principles and traditions of modern Korean home design. Many of the biophilic tendencies incorporated align with Californian vernacular traditions, culminating in a conceptually unique and contextually relevant project. The exploration of these distinct influences revealed numerous similarities, evident throughout the Meadow House. From the fluidity between indoor and outdoor spaces and the deep verandas surrounding parts of the home to the abundance of natural light, which is at times pronounced and at other times softened. The house is situated in the exceptional Santa Lucia Preserve in Carmel Valley on a challenging site. The siting of the house within the meadow is defined by a Z-shaped form that follows the land's contours, extending outward in some areas and retreating in others. One of the most exciting features is the sunken lounge at the tip of the living pavilion, where the glow of the sun indirectly warms the space and casts a golden hue. Through the open doors of the living room, the local wildlife can be seen foraging in the tall grass, immersing occupants in the untouched beauty of the surrounding landscape. The gently sloping topography and dense oak canopies work together to conceal the residents from passers-by, while the weathering steel and cedar cladding mimic the colors of the natural surroundings, further dissolving the boundaries between the built structure and the landscape. Despite its impressive scale, the design retains a welcoming atmosphere. Built-in shelves, niches for personal and sacred objects, and a palette of Italian bluestone, white oak, quartz, and perforated steel soften the architecture. Nevertheless, the primary focus of the Meadow House remains on the landscape. Yes, we are in a building, but it is an extension of the meadow, not the other way around. In addition to blending Californian and Korean sensibilities, the house allows the residents to conduct business at home, host large gatherings, and accommodate family members for both short and extended stays. Meadow House's design is deliberate in conception, yet subtle in experience, resulting in a residence that is simultaneously generous and intimate. The sense of openness is evident in wide corridors and gentle ramps, while private areas are noticeably more serene. views are ever present, and a material palette of Italian bluestone, white oak, cedar, quartz, and stainless steel adds depth to the interior experience. On the main level, there is a primary suite area with 2 symmetrical bedrooms, each with its own private bathroom. The purpose of a hanok, a traditional Korean house, is to connect people with nature. Entrances are typically oriented toward the sun. Expansive openings and deep verandas aim to link occupants with the outdoors while shielding them from the elements, and light should be soft and subtle, yet omnipresent and sourced from multiple directions. Interestingly, 90% of the preserve is protected by a conservation land trust, resulting in only a few hundred residences scattered throughout this vast and untamed landscape. Those privileged enough to build here must adhere to strict design and development guidelines to protect the natural ecologies and inherent beauty of the site. For instance, tree and plant species must remain untouched, and any built structures must be predominantly imperceptible from nearby roads, trails, and public spaces. The resonance of the Meadow House lies in the sum of its many elements, including sunlit terraces, the quality of light, and its proximity to nature. Given its complexity, the house is an elegantly distilled contribution to Carmel Valley's incomparable landscape.